Welcome to today's video on how to build a perfect workout routine for beginners. If you're new to fitness and looking for a comprehensive fitness guide to get started, you're in the right place. Creating a workout routine can seem overwhelming, but we're here to break it down into simple, manageable steps. Stay tuned for a detailed plan, practical tips, and a quick actionable cheat sheet to help you kickstart your fitness journey. Key concepts. Starting a workout routine can be one of the most rewarding decisions you make for your health and well-being. For beginners, it's essential to focus on a balanced approach that includes strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises. Understanding the basics will help you create an effective and sustainable fitness plan. A well-structured workout routine offers numerous benefits, especially for beginners. Improved physical fitness. Regular exercise enhances strength, endurance, and flexibility. Weight management. Exercise helps you maintain a healthy weight. Boosted mental health. Physical activity releases endorphins, improving mood and reducing stress. Increased energy levels. Regular workouts combat fatigue and boost overall energy. Better sleep. Exercise can help regulate sleep patterns, leading to better quality rest. Practical tips and actionable advice. Here are some practical tips to help you build and maintain your workout routine. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with your fitness routine. Whether it's losing weight, building muscle, or improving endurance, having clear goals will keep you motivated. Start slow. Begin with manageable workouts and gradually increase intensity. Overloading yourself at the beginning can lead to burnout or injury. Schedule your workouts. Plan your workouts at times that fit into your daily routine. Consistency is key to seeing results. Mix it up. Incorporate a variety of exercises to target different muscle groups and keep your routine interesting. Rest and recover. Allow your body time to recover between workouts to prevent injuries and promote muscle growth. Techniques and habits. Now, let's dive into the components of a balanced workout routine for beginners. Warm-up. A good warm-up prepares your body for exercise and reduces the risk of injury. Instructions. Spend 5–10 minutes doing light cardio, e.g., brisk walking or jogging, and dynamic stretches, e.g., arm circles, leg swings. Strength training. Strength training helps build muscle and boost metabolism. Frequency. Aim for 2–3 days per week, allowing at least one day of rest between sessions. Exercises. Include basic exercises like squats, push-ups, lunges, and dumbbell rows. Perform 2–3 sets of 8–12 repetitions for each exercise. Cardio. Cardio workouts improve heart health and aid in weight management. Frequency. Aim for 3–4 days per week. Activities. Choose activities you enjoy, such as walking, running, cycling, or swimming. Start with 20–30 minutes per session and gradually increase the duration. Flexibility and mobility. Flexibility exercises improve the range of motion and prevent stiffness. Frequency. Include flexibility exercises 2–3 times per week. Exercises: incorporate static stretches, e.g., hamstring stretch, calf stretch, and yoga poses, e.g., downward dog, child's pose. Hold each stretch for 15–30 seconds. Cool down. A proper cool down helps your body recover and reduces muscle soreness. Instructions: spend 5–10 minutes doing light cardio, e.g., walking, and static stretches. Sample weekly workout routine for beginners. Here's a sample workout routine to get you started. Monday: strength training, full body. Squats, 3 sets of 10 reps. Push-ups, 3 sets of 8 reps. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 reps, each leg. Dumbbell rows, 3 sets of 10 reps, each arm. Tuesday: cardio. "30 minutes of brisk walking or jogging." Wednesday: rest or flexibility. Yoga session or 20 minutes of stretching. Thursday: strength training, upper body. Dumbbell press, 3 sets of 10 reps. Bicep curls, 3 sets of 10 reps. Tricep dips, 3 sets of 8 reps. Planks, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Friday: cardio. 30 minutes of cycling or swimming. Saturday: strength training, lower body. Deadlifts, 3 sets of 10 reps. Step-ups, 3 sets of 10 reps, each leg. Glute bridges, 3 sets of 15 reps. Calf raises, 3 sets of 15 reps. Sunday: rest or flexibility. Light stretching or a leisurely walk. Techniques and habits. To ensure long-term success, consider adopting these habits. Track your progress. Keep a workout journal or use a fitness app to log your workouts, track your progress, and stay motivated. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after workouts. Fuel your body. Eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to support your fitness goals. Get adequate sleep. Aim for 7–9 hours of sleep per night to allow your body to recover and rebuild. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels and adjust your routine as needed. If you experience pain or discomfort, take a break and consult a healthcare professional if necessary. Quick actionable cheat sheet. Here's a quick cheat sheet to help you build your workout routine. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with your fitness routine. Warm up. Spend 5–10 minutes doing light cardio and dynamic stretches. Strength training. Include basic exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges. Perform 2–3 sets of 8–12 reps, 2–3 days per week. Cardio. Choose activities you enjoy and aim for 20–30 minutes, 3–4 days per week. Flexibility. Incorporate static stretches and yoga poses, holding each stretch for 15–30 seconds, 2–3 times per week. Cool down. Spend 5–10 minutes doing light cardio and static stretches. Rest and recover. Allow your body time to recover between workouts. Track progress. Use a journal or app to log your workouts and monitor progress. Conclusion. Building a perfect workout routine for beginners doesn't have to be complicated. By following this fitness guide and incorporating these tips and exercises into your routine, you can start your fitness journey on the right foot. Remember, consistency and patience are key. Stick with it, and you'll see progress over time. Please leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you. For more help, guidance, and support, check the description below. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health. Subscribe to our channel today so you can continue on with your self-improvement journey. By following these steps and tips, you're setting yourself up for success in your fitness journey. Stay dedicated, listen to your body, and enjoy the process of becoming healthier and stronger.